Today we're going to have a look at some long impact hexagon socket set from Japan and the holder that comes with them. So these are a black oxide 255 millimeter length, and they come in the sizes of 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Square drive section itself comes with a locking pin and also an O-ring to lock in the locking pin. So these rails are for a more secure fit. Notice how it doesn't fall off. So grab all these, do like that. They don't fall off. I'm sure if you shake them a lot, they'll fall off. But if you have them on, this does not come with the set. But just as an example, a demonstration, that these smaller, thin ones, cheaper ones, will just a little bit of a shake, it's about to fall off already. So not the best way to secure your sockets if you're wanting to hang them on the wall or something like that. Yeah, set comes with six hex sockets, and then the holder. Of course, the holders are sold separately. Let's see, the part number is HAH406, and then the part number for these is HAH406L. L stands for long. Thank you very much.